this thing back together. Humpty Dumpty.
Humpty Dumpty?
Yeah, Humpty Dumpty. Sat on a wall, had a great fall. Put all the king's men put back together again. You don't know that one?
Yeah, I do actually, but that was terrible.
So, whatever. It was better than ever now, though.
Yeah, well, of course, I put it together.
Oh, God. Although this probably won't put as much down as the LS7, will it?
Probably not.
So there.
Well, I mean...
Just saying. Alright, I'll check back with you after lunch.
You do that.
After lunch.
You do that.
Okay.
What time is it?
Almost lunch.
Really?
11:57.
Get the out of here. Wow.
Where's my stool?
Go yell at Eric.
I am gonna go yell at Eric. Much better. Now I can get up close and personal.
Just get fucking taller.
Pretty sure I'm done growing. Already 6 foot. I am.
5'9.5".
Maybe 5'11 and a half, but you're what, 6'1"? 6'2"?
6'1", yeah.
Man, this thing's filthy. Yeah. Needs a bath. If only we had some Adams polishes.
Man, there's fucking big Adams bucket and cart.
That would be sweet. Is that what you're gonna say? So...
I think we just did a cam.
Right. There's one Tyler's working on.
Yeah.
Cam, package, valve springs, all that good stuff. DUD delete.
It goes that's just a general reference. When you say a cam,
I know. But
that stuff is included.
I know, but people think just cam. Oh, cam. Well, we do.
Yeah.
Not everybody does, but we do all that stuff.
You have to do the majority of it, but.
So, Tyler.
These stupid questions coming again.
What you doing?
Pulling stuff out of a box for valve springs.
So purdy.
It takes a lot to resist saying stupid
Good.
stuff.
Resist.
I'm trying, but at some point it doesn't work.
Stock garbage. Not garbage. Good job. Try this bad boy out.
I thought you were talking about the car.
No, I'm talking about the fan. What is on right now?
Well, I get it now.
Got him.
I still saw you.
Got him. Good morning to you two.
Up all night playing Fortnite, I think.
Up all night waiting to try to play Fortnite.
Playing up there.
I played one round and then it kicked me back out.
I played 2 games and got off while waiting for you guys to get on.
Yeah.
And then by the time you guys finally got in, I had to wait for 3 hours. I'm like,
yeah.
Never, I'm done.
I waited another 45 minutes and by the time it counted down to 0, it said the servers were down. I literally almost threw my controller.
Brand new headset across the
Yeah,
room.
not even kidding.
It said like 3 or like 101, and I'm thinking like, oh, 1 minute.
Hour.
And then it starts counting down. I'm like, that's an hour. That
It sucks. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Not much. I heard you changed out some stuff.
And a little more boost and intake cams only.
Okay. Nice. Got it. Same blower, the what? D1X?
D1SC.
D1SC. Okay. Little guy.
Yep.
Nothing crazy.
We're going to max it out today.
Yeah?
We'll try. We'll see what we can do.
I think you might.
The wastegate's at 19.5 pounds. I don't think it's going to get there. It's going to tap out a little over 18.
Okay.
We'll see.
It made what last time?
825 on 16 pounds.
Okay. All right. Well, it's not bad.
Yeah,
I'm sure you're hoping for more.
just a little bit more. But 900 would have been better.
Time to upgrade the blower.
I think so. Maybe an F1A or F1A 94 next.
There you go.
But in all reality, I think I need to upgrade the block. Get some sleep.
It is a Mustang.
That's true. Struggle's real.
We'll have fun at Slipstream, man.
We'll do. We'll try to beat up on some exotics and then get beat up by some.
Yeah. Some of our cars.
Yeah, really.
I'm gonna wash this now. I was gonna say, do you need help, but
I'm gonna lock on myself. Am I in the middle of the board?
you're right on, like, right, almost dead middle. Of both of them.
Perfect. Thank you.
You got it. This Chevelle is out. Like a little party out here.
Yeah.
Sun's out. Guns out.
I don't have guns out, but.
Beep beep. You want me to back it up?
No, I'm gonna go drive this.
The Chevelle?
Yeah. I'm just gonna park this here and leave it running so when I leave he can put a battery charger on it.
That's all done?
It is.
Nice. What do you got going on with the C6?
It's getting a Corsa exhaust, which has Billy Boat on it to begin with. So that's coming off. Corsa's going on.
Okay.
And then it's getting a McLeod clutch.
Nice.
And fluid change for everything.
Okay. Sweet. Shouldn't be too bad. Just take all this junk out.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Nice.
Quick work. This sounds good.
Tighten them straps.
Got it. So we did cam package and the new exhaust. I forget what that's called.
Solo.
There you go. Sounds good.
Fly it before.
Rowdy.
Rowdy Piper.
Sure.
You probably don't even know who that is.
Rowdy Rodney Piper, wrestler. I'm not 24 like Tyler. I'm an old man like yourself.
Figured you used to watch like Barbie and